Treasures Pocket Watch Auction Round 2, guys, is live. Bid now. It ends November 4th at 7 p.m. Check it out.
Lot 25 is this Ball Watch Company official railroad standard pocket watch. It has 21 jewels, is from the 1940s era, with a size of 16S, and is in good running condition. Lot 11 is this Waltham Vanguard pocket watch. It has 23 jewels, is from 1908, with a size of 16S, and it is in good running condition. Lot 14 is this Hamilton Watch Company pocket watch. It has 17 jewels, is from 1918, with a size of 12S, and in good running condition. Lot 16 is this Ball Watch Company Railroad Standard Pocket Watch. It features 19 jewels. It is from the 1909 era with a size of 16S and test at a good running condition. Lot 51 is this Hamilton Watch Company Pocket Watch. It features 21 jewels. It is from 1927 with a size of 16S and is in good running condition. Lot 57 is this Hamilton Watch Company pocket watch. It features 22 jewels. It is from the 1942 era with a size of 16S and test in a good running condition.